You ever get that feeling in your gut where everything was going great and then suddenly the energy just shifts? One day you're texting all night, laughing, and the vibe is electric. The next, her replies are shorter. She's busy more often. You see her online, but your message is just sitting there. Your first instinct is to panic, right? You want to ask what's wrong. You want to send that long paragraph explaining how you feel or asking if you did something to upset her. Bro, stop. Take a breath right now. I've been exactly where you are, and I'm telling you, that panic is the very thing that's going to push her even further away. We've all been there, thinking if we just try a little harder or explain ourselves a little better, she'll see how much we care and come back. But attraction doesn't work like a math equation. You can't logic a woman into liking you. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 reasons she's pulling away and the exact masculine mindset you need to adopt to fix the energy, not by chasing her, but by returning to yourself. Let's get into it. Number 1, you became too available. All right, let's be real. In the beginning, you had your own life. You were hitting the gym, hanging with your boys, and focused on your grind. But as soon as you started liking her, she became your new hobby. You started replying in 3 seconds. You started clearing your Saturday nights just in case she wanted to hang out. Here is the truth. Women aren't attracted to men who have nothing better to do than wait for them. If your world revolves around her, she's gonna feel the weight of that pressure, and she's gonna wanna move away from it. You need to have a mission that is bigger than any girl. Number 2, you're seeking too much validation. You find yourself asking things like, "Are we good?" or "Is everything okay between us?" every time there is 5 minutes of silence. Bro, relax. When you ask for reassurance, what you're actually saying is, "I don't believe I'm high value enough for you to stay, so I need you to tell me I am." That's not confidence, that's a leak in your masculine energy. A grounded man doesn't need to ask if things are okay, because he is okay regardless of what she does. If she's quiet, let her be quiet. Use that time to focus on your own growth. Number 3, the mystery is gone. You told her your whole life story, your traumas, and your 5-year plan by the second date. While honesty is good, oversharing kills the tension. Attraction needs a little bit of, "I wonder what he's up to." If she knows exactly where you are and what you're thinking at every moment, there's no room for her to miss you. Think of mystery like the space between notes in a song. Without that space, it's just noise. Give her the gift of missing you. Stop narrating your entire day and start living it. Number 4, you stopped leading. Maybe in the beginning you were the one picking the spots and setting the time, but lately you've been saying, "I don't know, what do you want to do?" or "Whatever you want, I'm down for." You think you're being nice, but you're actually being passive. Masculine energy is about direction. When you stop leading, she has to step into that role, and she'll start to resent it. She doesn't want to be the boss. She wants to be with a man who knows where he's going. Pick a place, pick a time, and lead. Number 5, you're over-explaining your mistakes. We all mess up sometimes. Maybe you said something a little weird or got a bit too drunk. Most guys try to fix this by apologizing 6 times and explaining their intentions for an hour. This is huge. One simple, sincere apology is masculine. A 6-paragraph explanation is desperate. If you made a mistake, own it once, then move on like it's no big deal. If you act like it's a tragedy, she'll treat it like one. If you act like a grounded man who made a small slip, she'll follow your lead. Number 6, your energy is heavy. This one is underrated. Are you always talking about your problems, your stress at work, or how crazy your ex was? If every conversation with you feels like a therapy session, she's gonna start associating you with exhaustion rather than excitement. Women want to step into a man's world to feel a different kind of energy. If your world is heavy and negative, she's going to step back out. Be the anchor, not the storm. Keep the vibe light, playful, and grounded. And the last one, this is the one most guys completely miss, and it's the most powerful point in this whole video. Number 7, you lost your edge. You stopped doing the things that made you the man she was attracted to in the first place. You started skipping the gym to text her. You stopped working on that side project to watch Netflix with her. You traded your respect for her attention. But the irony is, she only gave you her attention because she respected your drive. The moment you sacrifice your purpose for the girl, you lose both. Listen to me closely, bro. If she's pulling away, the fix isn't to run after her. The fix is to stop, turn around, and start running toward the best version of yourself. When you stop chasing, the energy shift is instant. She'll notice the silence. She'll notice that you aren't panicking, and suddenly she'll start wondering why you're so calm. That is where attraction is reborn, not in the words you say, but in the presence you maintain. If you've been feeling like you're in the friend zone or the spark is dying, don't just sit there overthinking. Go back to the gym, reconnect with your boys, get back on your grind. If she's the right one, she'll feel that shift and come back into your orbit. And if she doesn't, you'll be a much better man for the next one who does. Drop a comment below if you've ever felt that energy shift and how you handled it. We're all learning here, and your story might help another bro who's currently spiraling. And hey, if you want to know the specific habits that keep that attraction high long-term, so you never have to deal with this again, you need to watch my video on the 7 habits that make women notice you immediately. It's the perfect follow-up to this. Stay grounded, stay on your mission. Peace.